we just got back from Windrock on our second trip in a month. This trip started out pretty interesting. On the way over there, one of our team members got hit by a car. The car, I don't ever think, hit their brakes. They slammed into Dustin's trailer, bounced off Dustin's trailer, and then ricocheted over into the other Dustin's trailer and did damage to both trailers and his pickup truck. So that was interesting on the way over there. Then the second day, while we were eating lunch, we had one of our team members get sick. Ambulance had to come out and take a look at him. Fortunately, he was all right, but that cut his day short. And then the third day, we had a lot of rain. But with all those things
Cold
that we
rain.
had, cold rain. With all those things that we had happen, it's still fun to be out in the woods with friends. That beats any day at work, in my opinion.
Yeah, any day in the woods, no matter whether it's cold, hot, rainy, stormy, is better than being at home. Well, I don't mean being at home, but better than being at work, for sure. We had a good time. It was cold rain, even though it was May. I was riding with a bunch of friends. We had a bunch of side-by-sides and one four-wheeler, and lots of rain. But, you know, rain makes mud, and mud makes memories. So...
Well, here we are, 20 to 5 in the morning, getting ready to leave from Windrock. Wife, she's excited. She loves the morning time. She's got our Lonnie.
You work hard as this.
Getting ready to roll out. So we stayed here at Pro Service Motorsports this trip. It was a pretty nice place. They had the Pro Service Motorsports shop on one end of the building. Then there was a garage bar and grill. And then the apartment was on the far side. 4-bedroom apartment, kitchen, refrigerator, stove, 2 bathrooms. It had a washer dryer and a mud room. How bad is it, honey?
It wouldn't be as bad if somebody had left our doors at home.
We have doors?
We have doors, but the windows that sit in to keep the cold and the rain out.
Why did you decide you didn't want them today?
Well, I do want them.